Hello, beautiful souls. Pause for a second. Not your hands, not your day, just your attention. Because today, this isn't just something you watch and scroll past. This is something you feel. Today, you're about to witness 10 women who didn't come here looking for change. They came here because something inside them finally asked, "Where did I go?" And that question? It doesn't come loudly. It shows up quietly, in the mirror you avoid, in the photos you don't recognize, in the moments where you feel present but not connected. "I kept thinking I was just tired," one woman says. But she wasn't just tired. She was disconnected. Another one says, "I didn't lose myself all at once. I just stopped choosing myself." And that's how it happens. Not in big moments, in small ones. Every time you say, "later," every time you put yourself second, every time you ignore what you feel. Until one day, you're still living your life, but it doesn't feel like it belongs to you anymore. Look at them. Not just their faces. Look at their energy. There's a distance, a quiet absence. Like they've been showing up physically, but emotionally, they've been somewhere else. And then, they decide to sit. Not because it's easy, but because something inside them is tired of waiting. And this moment, it's not loud. There's no big announcement. Just a choice, a quiet one. To stop and finally face myself. At first, nothing changes. They sit, they look around. They don't know what to do with stillness, because stillness forces you to feel. And feeling is what they've been avoiding. But they stay. And then it begins. The scissors move, soft, steady, certain. And with every cut, something invisible starts to shift. Not just the hair, the identity, the version of themselves that kept surviving instead of living. One woman watches the mirror carefully, like she's searching for something. Not beauty, recognition. Another one looks down as the hair falls, not out of fear, but because letting go feels unfamiliar. And then you see it. The moment. That subtle change. Their breathing slows. Their shoulders drop. Their faces soften without them even realizing. It's not dramatic. It's quiet. But it's real. Because for the first time in a long time, they're not performing. They're not holding it together. They're just being. And then emotion catches up. Not all at once, just enough to break through. A tear, a deep breath, a small shake of the head like, "I didn't realize." And that's the truth. You don't realize how far you've drifted until you stop moving. The process continues. Water, hands, care, time. Nothing rushed, nothing expected. And that alone feels unfamiliar because they're used to earning rest, earning care, earning space. But here, they don't have to earn anything. They just have to allow it. And slowly, something returns. Not confidence, not beauty. Something deeper. Presence, connection, self. Then comes the moment. No announcement, no build-up, just the chair turning and the mirror waiting. They look, and for a second, nothing. Because they're not reacting to what they see. They're reacting to what they feel. And then it lands. That quiet realization. That's me. Not louder than a whisper, but stronger than anything said before. Because it's not about appearance, it's about alignment. For the first time in a long time, what they feel inside matches what they see outside. And that changes everything. The tears follow. Soft, honest, real. Not heavy, not painful. Just releasing. Like something finally settled into place. And then, someone walks in. No explanation, no introduction, just presence. They see her, and they stop. Because they don't just notice a difference, they recognize something. Something familiar. Something they haven't seen in a long time. And their reaction? It says what words can't. A smile that pauses. Eyes that fill. A look that says, "There you are." And that moment? That's the truth of all of this. This was never about transformation. It was about return. Not becoming someone new, but meeting yourself again after being gone for too long. And maybe, as you're sitting here watching this, you feel that question too. Where did I go? If you do, this is your answer. You're still here. You were never gone. You were just waiting. Waiting for a moment. Waiting for permission. Waiting for space. So take it. Not later, not when everything is perfect. Now. Even if it's small, even if it's quiet. Because every time you choose yourself, you come back. Not all at once, but enough to feel it. And one day, you won't have to ask that question anymore, because you'll already know you're right here.